Hello friends, my name is Tariq and I am the admin of Motivational Quotes and Success Stories Facebook page. Today in this video we'll discuss about 3 points how to get lucky, and we will also discuss the mindset of successful people and unsuccessful people according to luck. So let's get started. Before telling you the first point, I would like to explain the definition of luck according to successful people and the unsuccessful people. According to successful people, luck is a point where your hard work meets an opportunity, while on the other hand, the definition of luck according to unsuccessful people is luck is something which is already written and you cannot change it. So this is the difference of opinion between the successful people and unsuccessful people according based on luck. So now the first point is hard work. According to successful people, hard work is something which is really requires if you are building a long-term relationship or you are starting a company or any business. It is required. According to them, in corporate world, normally people works 40 to 48 hours a week. So if you work 80 to 100 hours a week, you will achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve. So this is the difference between. So this is how successful people think about it, and they never give up. They do not hesitate in trying 1,000 times, even they have failed 999 times. So these are the successful people when it comes to the hard work and never give up attitude. While on the other hand, unsuccessful people think that sitting idle in the office is considered as a hard work, and forget about 1,000 times, forget about 100 times. Unsuccessful people do not try even 10 times, and after a couple of attempts they give up and they think that they have done a lot hard work and they have tried many times, but they are not succeeding. So this is the difference when it comes to hard work according to the mentality of successful and unsuccessful people. Now the second point is complaining and blaming. Unsuccessful people do not complain when they fail. They do not complain their country, they do not complain their system, they do not complain the recession. They think that how we overcome this problem. For example, if there is a problem in the system, if there is a problem in country, if there is a recession, how to deal with it. They act accordingly, and they do not blame others for their failures. They blame themselves for their failures. This is the mentality of successful people when it comes to complaining and blaming. On the other hand, unsuccessful people, whenever they fail, they start complaining that there's a problem in the system, there is a problem in the country, there's a problem with the recession, and again, when they fail in something, they blame others. They do not blame themselves. So this is the difference between the successful and unsuccessful people when it comes to complaining and blaming. And the third point is evaluation and learning from failures. Successful people put themselves all the time, every second, every minute, every hour. They put their self in evaluation mode. They evaluate their performance each day. They evaluate their performance each hour. They evaluate their performance weekly, daily, or monthly basis, and they learn from their failures, and they do not hesitate to try again even if they have failed 999 times. While on the other hand, unsuccessful people do not evaluate themselves. They think that they are perfect and whatever they are doing is right, and it's always the problem with the system and with the recession or things like that. They do not learn from their failures. Instead of, they uh, they whenever they fail, they think that okay, we have failed and we will not try again. So this is the difference between the mentality of successful and unsuccessful people when it comes to evaluation or learning from their failures. And again, another major difference is successful people are willing to fail more than unsuccessful people even think of trying. So this is the difference of mentality. So these are the 3 points which makes successful people lucky, and these are the 3 points which makes unsuccessful people unlucky. So I hope you have understood all the 3 points. If you have any questions, please comment below or send me a message on my Facebook page. I hope you have liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.